Hello and welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a chat moderator job you can do from anywhere in the world? Then this video is for you. I bring you another opportunity to work as a chat moderator. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Please do your own research before applying to any job out there. Alright, to be safe, okay guys? So this one is called E-Moderators. You want to go to e-moderators.com to check them out. We are going to explore the platform together. Okay. If you're looking to work from home, from anywhere, you need to check these people out. If today's the first time we talk about work from home job opportunities, please kindly like the video, comment, subscribe, and share with someone you love. Yes, if you're looking for work from home job, remote job you can do from anywhere, check them out. So, E-Moderators offers you the chance to work and earn income from home with the highest rates you can find, up to 24 euro cents per message. So, what they offer, okay, working as a moderator for them gives you the opportunity to earn money from day one. You can work when you want and from wherever you are. You choose your own hours. You are your own boss. Their moderators can work when and where they want, from your living room, at the beach, wherever you want. They offer competitive salary. Whether this is your main job or it's an additional source of income, you will appreciate that they pay the best rates in the industry, and they also pay weekly, which makes it amazing. Another thing that's amazing here is freedom of work. You work from wherever you want, either at home, on a Caribbean beach. All you need is your computer and an internet connection. And besties, let me tell you, you can work from your smartphone, all right? What is progressive pay? It's simple. The more messages you write, the more money you will earn. The average earnings are 350 euros per week. If you are open-minded, have a good imagination, like to work, and are a fast typer, you can make a lot more. If you like a job but it doesn't earn you enough, why not earn some extra cash to add to your income? All you need for this role is a laptop and a bank account, guys. You can do this on your phone. I've said it several times. You can do this on your phone. Working as a moderator gives you the opportunity to earn money from day one. You can work when you want. They also offer training, but the training doesn't cost you money. If you're ready to start, feel free to go ahead. How does it work? If you're looking to work from home, either full-time or for some additional income, then go ahead. They provide you with a personal tutor. You can contact them through their personal Skype or email to ask them questions. The highest payments in the industry, they pay from 10 to 20 euro cents per processed message. They are a trustworthy company. They work with most payment method, which makes it amazing for those of you in Africa. It has a very user-friendly system. Their exclusive website allows you to log in without any downloads. And for the payment, it is weekly, okay? You are able to declare this income to the tax authorities if found necessary. So go through their reviews. They have amazing review from Trustpilot, from people from all over the world, as you can see. So click on press today, then you see the application button. Guys, I'm not encouraging you to do adult content, all right? But you can also make a positive impact in someone's life. People who are going through challenges in life, people who are sick, people who are, mentally challenged, or people who really need someone to speak to or counsel them. You can offer them such services. I'm not encouraging anyone to go into adult-based chat or whatever. That's not why I'm here, okay? Make a positive impact in people's lives than a negative one. And don't sell yourself out there because of money, okay? So, this is how the application goes. You put your name, your age, nationality, country of residence, select country where you want to apply, add your Microsoft Teams, choose your availability, add your work experience, and apply. So to know more about this company, go to their About Us section. You'll be able to find everything you need to know about them. E-Moderators is an international consolidated company. Okay. They are world leader in content moderators for online websites. So they manage websites for companies and they hire moderators to oversee chat sections of those companies. Sometimes when you go to websites, you will see chat with an agent. Yes, chat support. That's what you can be hired to do from this place. So they are looking for responsible, committed, and free thinking employees. Their philosophy is a happy worker is a productive worker. The key to attracting high quality employees is to have an excellent accounts department. They have a serious, well structured, and trustworthy accounts department. They claim to pride themselves on making all your payments on time and for the correct amount. This is another reason why they are the number one company on the market. When working with them, you will not be tied down to contracts. You have the flexibility of choosing your own hours that better suits your lifestyle. Do not miss this opportunity to join them. Click here to go to the applications page or click here to go to the contact us page. If you need to contact them with any question, come here and contact them. This is not a get rich quick scheme. You work before you get paid. Okay? You have to work before you get paid. I'm not telling you that you will come here and sleep, then you receive salary overnight. No, you have to put in the work to get paid. So do your research, know more about what this company stands for. If it's something you can do, make sure you're sowing a positive seed. You're making a positive impact on people's lives before you even join this platform. So I thought to share this. I don't know who needs it. Don't forget to subscribe to my new channel and like, comment, and share. Let me know your thoughts, where you're joining me from, and if you have ever worked on this platform. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.